Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, a lot is going on, and this our Igwe has a lot in stock to talk to us. But before then, if you want to reach out to him, this is exactly where you will get him. Ubotu Africa China TV, because I noticed that a lot of people really want to reach out to the page of the person and see some of the videos or some of the things that the person have said before, like to follow up the person. So you can easily reach out to him here. So my beautiful family, without not wasting much of your time, let us go direct into why we are here, because a lot of things are really happening right now. The word that is said, I'm not the only one that will hear them. You need to hear them, because everybody is entitled to his or her own opinion. So drop yours in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending wherever you are here right now watching me. I greet all Biafrans all over the world. I greet His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in Eze and Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Dragon Marine and Ogbunigwe Battalion. I greet all of you. I come in peace. As a freedom fighter and activist, I must speak the truth. Truth shall set us free. Nigerians, you have seen your military soldiers that supposed to be guiding you are training with Boko Haram in the northeast of Nigeria. Boko Haram and the military soldiers, including Musa, CDS, they are training together to protect you. Nigerians, can't you see you are finished? Who will protect you? Who will guide you? Whenever you are sleeping, please close one eye and open one. Make sure you lock your door. Wherever you go, pray to Almighty God and to Almighty Allah to protect you. No one to protect you again. Nigeria, the name called Nigeria is finished. Boko Haram and Biafra, Nigerian military soldiers are training together. After they finish training, they join together to come and protect Nigerians in Nigeria. United Nations, have you seen where terrorists are training with military soldiers? America, the whole world, have you seen where terrorists are training with the military of the country? Nigerian military and Boko Haram are training in northern Nigeria and the west of Nigeria. Kidnapping, destroy farms. That is why Nigeria, everything is dry up. Food dry up. No food, no money, no crude oil. You can hear that Niger Delta crude oil is dry up. The more all this is drying up, the more Sariya Dokobo is drying up too. His stomach, everything is drying up. But this is not what makes me to come this evening. What makes me to come to talk to you right now, I don't have time, is China Samoru, Chike Dozieha, and a more powerful DOS members, all of them have given Prime Minister Simon a signal. You know, you don't need Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Let me tell you, you don't need to wait. You don't need to wait to hear from DOS or to tell you that we are no longer relevant. You can see there's how somebody will be talking. You find that this person is talking like a child. This person is no longer relevant. There is complete a flave. If Chinasa Nworu, Chike Dozie and the more powerful can pay somebody to come and talking to the whole Biafran all over the world, Igbos, in fact, even Nigeria, because he was speaking English, that a whole America who practice human rights and Israel who practice human rights wanted to deport Mazen Nnamdi Kanu before the Nigerian government kidnapped him in Kenya. Can't you see that they are telling you, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, you have already defeated us. You have already defeated us. We don't have power any longer. We are no longer relevant. Go ahead with Biafra. Fight for us. We don't know what to do again because we have taken over. You don't need to wait. Nobody, you Biafrans, Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra government in exile. You don't need to wait. Biafra in diasporas. You don't need to wait for them to come up openly and say we are tired. They have already come and tell you we are no longer relevant. We are useless. We are childish. We are criminals. We are kidnappers. We are foolish. We are foolish. We are idiots. We are hooligans. We are gangsters. We are betrayers. We are Pharisees. We are saboteurs. We are chameleon. That is what that gentleman who collected the money from Chike Dozie, Chinasa Nworu, and the more powerful was saying, by saying America have decided to deport Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, and Israel decided to deport Mazen Nnamdi Kanu before they kidnap him in Kenya. Imagine this type of talk. Who can buy this cheap? In fact, this is not propaganda. What they are trying to say is that we are no longer relevant. We are useless. We are no longer in charge. We don't have any power. You have defeated us. Go ahead with the power you carry. We adore you. You, His Excellency, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Go ahead and give us Biafra. We are no longer relevant. That is what they come up to tell you, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. They say, His Excellency, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, please, you have defeated us. We are no longer in charge. We are not relevant any longer. You have finished us. You defeated us. You win us. We are useless. We are barbarism. We are hopeless. We are betrayers. We are saboteurs. We are Pharisees. We are chameleons. We are cowards. Please, His Excellency Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, go ahead and give us Biafra. God bless you wherever you are watching me. God protect and guide you. Biafra government in exile. Biafra Liberation Army. All the BLA. May God protect all of you. May the land of Biafra protect you. May the spirit of Biafra protect and guide you, all of you. And guide me also. Anybody who plans to destroy you will destroy himself or herself. You shall not die. God will protect you. God is with you. I thank you.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.